In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the black screen issue you might encounter after updating your Nvidia driver on Windows 10 or 11. If you're facing this frustrating problem, don't worry, I've got you covered with some straightforward steps to help you resolve it. So, let's dive right in. First things first, it's crucial to ensure that everything on your system is compatible and functioning correctly. Begin by checking if your monitor and graphics card are up to date. It's essential that your Nvidia graphics card supports your current version of Windows. Connectivity is also key here, so make sure your monitor and GPU are connected via a DisplayPort cable, as this is often the best connection for high-performance graphics. Additionally, take a moment to dive into your monitor's on-screen display, often referred to as the OSD. There, confirm that the variable refresh rate, or VRR, is enabled. This setting can help reduce screen tearing and improve the visual experience, ensuring that your monitor works smoothly with your graphics card. Now, let's address the Nvidia drivers, which are often at the heart of display issues. Outdated or corrupted drivers can be a leading cause of graphics problems, including a black screen. To tackle this, head over to the Nvidia website and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Installing these updated drivers can potentially resolve various issues, including the black screen problem you're experiencing after an update. After updating your drivers, it's time to navigate to the Nvidia control panel. You can easily access this by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting Nvidia Control Panel from the context menu. Once you have it open, go to the Display section and confirm that everything is running properly. If things seem off, it's a smart move to uninstall and then reinstall the drivers to see if that clears up the issue. If you've tried these steps and are still running into problems, don't worry, there are additional troubleshooting methods to consider. Sometimes, a simple restart of your computer is all it takes to clear up minor technical glitches. If that doesn't work, consider reinstalling your Nvidia drivers completely. Tools like DDU, which stands for Display Driver Uninstaller, are designed to help you fully remove old drivers before you reinstall the new ones. It's also wise to ensure that your Windows installation is up to date, since missing updates can sometimes lead to conflicts with drivers. If the latest driver still causes issues, consider reverting to an older, more stable version that previously worked well for you. Should none of these steps resolve the issue, reaching out to Nvidia support might be your best alternative for further assistance. They can offer specialized help to resolve your problem. I hope you find these steps helpful and that they solve the black screen issue you're experiencing after updating your Nvidia driver on Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tech tips and solutions.